How to update your old iPad or iPhone to iOS 16, 17 or above. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can update your old iPad or iPhone to a higher iOS version. So let's get started. First of all, just go to your settings. Now go to your general. After you go there, you will see software update. Tap on it and check for any software update available. But most probably, if it's an older model of device, you won't be getting the update. So now what you can do is scroll down all the way. You will see transfer reset iPhone. After you're here, erase all of the contents on your iPhone. Just erase everything and it will just begin from the start, and you will have to set it up. After you set it up, you can go back here. You can go to general, go to software update, and the update should be available for you guys. Just tap on update now and it will start updating. Now if this does not work, you might have to use a third party software to force an update, so you can do that too. And yeah, that is basically how you update old iPad or iPhone to a higher iOS version. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.